Heart attacks, aggressive cancers, and Alzheimer's disease are often viewed as isolated failures of the human body. But tracing the pathology of these fatal conditions back to their source reveals that in a state of chronic inflammation, the biological emergency becomes systemic and permanent. At this stage, hyperactive white blood cells become confused. Having no external wound to heal, they begin attacking the body's own healthy tissue. This cellular-friendly fire has fatal consequences. It destroys collagen to cause rapid aging, and it creates constant DNA damage that leads to faulty cellular replication, the primary driver of cancer. The very immune mechanism built to save us is transformed into the weapon that destroys us from the inside out. As this inflammation travels through the blood, it settles in different organs. It manifests as asthma in the lungs, rheumatoid arthritis in the joints, and the accumulation of plaque in the heart. To find ground zero for this fire, we have to look at the gut. This single area houses 70 to 80% of our entire immune system. This diagram shows the gut barrier, a fragile single-cell layer that separates 100 trillion microbes from your bloodstream. Saturated fats, processed sugars, and chronic stress feed bad microbes that weaken the structure, eventually developing physical gaps known as leaky gut syndrome. When microbes leak into the blood, patrolling immune cells detect the breach and panic, triggering a massive systemic inflammatory response. Our modern diet physically breaks this internal border wall, forcing the immune system into an endless, unwinnable war. Secondary triggers like sudden spikes in blood sugar and blood fats act as biological fire alarms, further confusing the immune system's ability to distinguish threats. Because this damage is silent, doctors use the C-reactive protein, or CRP test, to track it. This protein is produced by the liver specifically to fight inflammation. On this scale, a reading below 0.3 is considered safe. As the number climbs, it indicates that silent diseases are actively brewing in the tissue. While the damage remains silent, the CRP test provides a quantifiable warning system with enough time to act before a terminal diagnosis. By addressing the environmental triggers in the gut, we can begin to reverse the systemic inflammatory response. This modern protocol aligns with ancient medical wisdom. Over 2 millennia ago, Hippocrates claimed that all disease begins in the gut. Rebuilding the microbiome requires 2 things: probiotics from fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi to introduce good bacteria, and prebiotics from high-fiber fruits and vegetables to feed them. To physically patch the gut barrier, the body requires glutamine, a specific protein found in cabbage and lean meats. We must also avoid the overuse of antibiotics for minor illnesses. These drugs carpet bomb the healthy microbiome, destroying the very ecosystem that prevents inflammation from taking hold. The food we consume acts as a chemical code, dictating whether our immune system rests or continues its attack on our organs. Physical activity further dampens the fire. 20 minutes of cardio and 15 minutes of weights directly target and burn pro-inflammatory fat cells. Maintaining a strict sleep schedule allows the body to regulate the hormones and metabolic signals that naturally calm immune alarms. By taking control of these daily inputs, our diet, our movement, and our rest, we can turn off the internal alarms and escape the 60% mortality statistic.